すいのはこれがけやすい。これでも
ピンクないじゃん。じゃあそれで扉。
Start my weekend out right. Gonna live it up in my downtown. I got a new book and it's worth to look just right. This is sunlight. Work on my sunburned old day. The LaCroix in my hand and I don't need any plans to have the time that I'm looking for. The Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. We got that sunshine and good time. Living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing with football in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band. My body's in the beach. The sunglass dies, nobody knows why. We'd be anywhere else. So when it's hotter than hell. We got stories to tell all summer long, with some good songs to sing along. This breeze is too nice to ignore. Saturdays are what my weeks were made for. We got that sunshine and good time. We're living our best lives down off Seminole Drive. We're getting sky high off some low tide. We're playing with football in the sand while we're listening to our favorite band. We just might get around in before sundown. Faint chains in the background. Stevie C's got an ace now. Huey Lewis is the only kind of news I wanna hear. It's just to sit right down and have ourselves some Mexican beer. Saturday's the best time to let it all unwind. We got some good shade to celebrate all of them good days that are coming our way. I'll see you on Saturday.
Safe at home. These days you've been left alone, without a place to go. Wondering those fears you grow. You need to fly, and now's the chance for you to try. The traffic in your life is stuck inside a photograph. All the street you forgot. stop this fight. River calls you, come on by. Like sun in open sky, like a breeze for a tree in hot July. And maybe when you talk, we'll take you to some local bar. You'll win the people's hearts, replace the walls you broke apart. On the street where you forgot what this dream is all about. As it is, you live inside. Turn the page so you could write the next line. Sleeping on the rocks, life gets long. Fame gets so stale. Hollywood, I'm gonna lose my mind. Give me peace one last time. Why are we losing our souls just for the sake of the world? Why are we losing our souls just for the sake of the world?